Yes, it's very important, guys. You listen for your classes. We don't call names of people. Once we get down to the semifinals, yes, you're going to need a little bit more time because the rounds start going quicker. And we got a team up here, guys, that's used to racing 283 cars. So this is going to move good. We got our A team here. Yes, sir. Copy that. All right. All right. All right, guys. So pro street guys, just come forward. So get on the other side.
Yeah, he came up for a selfie, y'all. I'm gonna have to get me a selfie.
All right, let me handle this real quick. I gotta focus on this.
I know you wanna see. I know you wanna be.
Is that 64? Yeah, that's the one. That's for. So let me see how many we should have.
Okay, y'all. They finna get everything situated real quick. We got Mr. Mike in the building. Got his laptop and charger already ready. It's the track whisperer. It be whispering in your ear before you make a pass, man. Don't red light. Don't cross the center line. And don't hit your wall or you lose.
All right, should be 43 individual souls up here. We want to make sure that we've registered right and collected the right funds to pay back to you guys. So I'm going to go through, please. This is everybody's money's at stake here, so we want to make sure we get this right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23, you're 23. All right, let's go back around. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Yeah, I think he missed somebody.
Don't move. Did it already come? Yeah, I already come. Wait, come on. 40. Are you in this class, sir? 41.
We missing 2.
42. So I think I said 43. So might call it again.
Yeah, he should have let them count. He should have let them count. They all just say a number, and then they just keep going. But it seemed like everybody over here. Have I eaten yet? Yeah, I ate.
Mike has my laptop. Hopefully they give us some time.
I went to the where did I go? McDonald's, man. They put too much water in my oatmeal.
you can pour.
Fill my cup up with water,
Honestly,
man.
you can pour them all in there because again, drag track is going to drop them in.
So what? I'll talk about that.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. They getting the chips ready.
Regardless, because there's more than 32 cars. All right, so this is going to be set up on a 64 car bracket. The number one chip or the lowest chip drawn will have the potential buy run. The way I see it right now, there will be a buy run because there's 43 cars.
Okay. 43 cars.
No qualifying this weekend for you traditional RCDRL guys. You're used to qualifying. All right, you're going to draw a chip. The chip on the number on your chip is going to represent that spot. The 1 and let's just say 64. Okay, in professional racing, your number one qualifier races your slowest qualifier. Well, these two gentlemen right here are some of the fastest guys out here, and he could pick 1 and you could pick 64. You guys are going up against each other in first round. So it's the same thing. It's the exact same thing of blind chip draws.
Yeah.
But in this case, 1 is not racing 1. Because we're using software that is professional custom design, we have to do it this way, but it's the same thing. Okay? All right, so that's what we're going to do.
Okay.
And
the chips, choosing lane choice by color?
the chips, no, not by color. Great question. So how this works, if your chip happens to be a lower number than the person that you're racing, and I'm not that smart, so I know like a 16 car bracket, 1 races 16, 2 races 15, and so on. If I pull a 2, I'm going to be forced into the left lane. You pull 15, you're in the right lane. After first round is over, it goes on your performance in this class. Best ET will get lane choice. Okay? In the bracket classes, it's not earned that way. It's earned a different way. And that. So, you guys are good? You all ready to get it going? You tired of me talking?
Is it still reaction time to Street Eliminator?
Yes. Yeah. All right. Let me go over here with the girls here.
Alrighty, guys. They getting the chips ready now. You ready, man?
Oh yeah, man, I'm ready.
I'm ready to see what y'all gonna do, man. I got a. This ain't no good charger I'm using. I just noticed my battery been going down the whole time. It's a weak charge. I ain't. Let me see if this helps. Man, I think it's worse. What I was in the 2.1 amp. Man, it's in 1 amp. Well, I think I might have messed up. Stream woes. I was thinking about trying to. You think I need to go and try to switch to 720 now, Team Thunder?
This is Pro Street. Outlaw.
We got crossed. Appreciate the follow.
And then their names. So, like Alan here.
Let me try. Hold
I know
on.
him and he's standing right in front of me. You're going to have the worst pull. You're number first. I mean, number one, number first. So, Alan Pryor, right there.
All right, I reduced it down now.
Alan Pryor.
I wonder which size is the right one.
All right.
What number?
I really don't
This
even
is how it
know.
goes.
All right, y'all. Is it still working, Team Thunder car? Okay. Who was that? Cheaper?
This one stays out.
Joey, Wi-Fi link.
I could do some of these too. You know? Since I was the mad scientist behind this. Hold on, Joey. Let me I'm gonna get into the same bracket here.
They're trying to get all the races.
Once this is Pro Street,
It is time for a snack or something, though. Oh, yeah, they said there's some
I'm listening.
cupcakes. I need to get me one of them.
Either lane, it doesn't matter. Drag track. This is.
But you both of them have to be filled out.
Some people have their laptops sitting on the table and they just have a